Right guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to calculate the area of the sector. So the first thing you need to know is area is part of a circle. If you've been given a question that says find the area of the following sectors, and the sector has the angle 25 degrees and the radius is 7, the formula is theta over 360 times pi times r squared, where theta is actually the angle. So let's substitute the values. So I will write down 25 divided by 360 times the value of pi times 7 squared. Once you get to this point, just put the values in the calculator. So you've got 25 divided by 360 times the value of pi. So I will use the one that's given in the calculator and times 7 squared. So my answer is going to be 10.69 centimeters squared, and that is to 2 decimal places. Similarly, if they give you another question where they say find the area of the sector, giving your answer in terms of pi, what that means to you is we leave pi as it is. We do not write the value of pi, so we don't write 3.14. Again, you've got a sector with the radius is 50 centimeters and the angle is 70 degrees. So what we're going to do is we will plot the values in, substitute the values in. So you've got 70 degrees over 360 times that by pi times that by 50 squared. If you substitute these values into the calculator, so you will have 70 divided by 360 times that by pi times that by 50 squared. So my answer in terms of pi is going to be 4,375 over 9 pi. Now, as you can see, I did not include the value of pi. So this satisfies the question where it says give your answer in terms of pi, and this is your answer in terms of pi centimeter squared. I hope you understood this.